Hello, my name is Roger. What is managed web filtering? Well, we all know that everybody likes to access the internet, whether it's on a tablet, on a mobile phone, laptop, computer, even on the server when you need to download updates and things like that. You always need to access the digital world in some way. But the trouble is, the bad guys know how we all access the internet, and they are always willing to put little traps and systems in place so they can actually get information out of you or infect your computers. Now, what do I mean by that is websites are created, and we all have websites. Websites are not created equally. Some are high-end, high-processing e-commerce sites that are secure and locked down and everything is really honky-dory. But at the other end of the scale, there's people who put together a WordPress website who doesn't worry about security, doesn't worry about patching all the widgets, making sure all the plugins are working, making sure the plugins are all patched up. Now, if this website, the one that was done in WordPress, gets hacked, now there are a number of ways they can do things to you. They can hack the website and take it down. Bang, there goes your website. Or they can just deface it. We were here, stuff you. Great. The worst one they can do is they can actually infect it, so all of the visitors coming to your site will actually be asked to download malware. Now, when that happens, what happens is you need a system in place that will protect you from that happening to you. Now, how do you do that? Well, there's a number of products around that allow you to protect the way you surf the internet. And by that protection, it will come up and go, don't go to this website because it's infected, or it may go to something that says when you log on to the website, something is wrong. And that is really important for business, because you get malware on your PC or your laptop or your tablet or your phone, then the bad guys have access to that information. What people don't understand is it can happen to anybody's website. It can happen at the lowest level where your web hosting company has been hacked and the server with all of those websites on it are now vulnerable. Or you could be a major news site. There's been times when places like 9MSN have been not so much hacked, but the information for things that run their ads have been infected, which then infects the people who come to them. The other way that you get infected is through intranets. So this is a process that the bad guys call waterholing, because everybody has to go there to get information. The biggest one that we've ever seen was when they infected a site that looks after human resources. So everybody had to go there, work out their leave, and every time they went there, they got infected. But on top of that, if you get an infection from a website and you haven't been protecting yourself in such a way as it will come up and tell you that you've got a chance of being infected by the website, then you have a problem with your own technology itself, because it is no longer yours. It has spyware, it has malware. It may even have things like drive-by malware that encrypts all the information on your system. You don't want to be in that situation. On top of that, people also believe that if you go to pornographic sites, then you're going to get infected. To tell you the truth, pornographic sites are probably the securest internet websites on the internet nowadays. And that is something because the pornographic sites need people to come to them all the time. And yes, it's huge business. It is really a lot of money that they generate. So, you need to have some way to protect yourself, and that is where a managed web filter will come into it. That managed web filter will sit on the desktop or the laptop or the tablet and phone and actually intercept the information before it gets to your technology itself, and it will protect you. And because it's a managed web filtering, it's like any other cloud product. It is a monthly fee. Thank you.